helping me bake. Step 1, have your mom turn on the stove. Melt the butter in the skillet. Turn off the heat. Alright. Alright, let's let that melt. I'll mix it with this to let it. I use dairy-free butter because I have allergies in my family. And feel free to use whatever butter that's your favorite. Step 2. Crack the eggs into the mixing bowl. Use the whisk to beat the eggs together. Step 3. Add half a cup of milk to the eggs and use the whisk to beat the mixture for 2 minutes. I'm using almond milk because it's my favorite milk. Feel free to use your favorite milk. Step 4. Add the flour to the egg mixture all at once and use the wooden spoon to beat the mixture until it is smooth. Kirsten, are you stealing chocolate chips? Alright. Stop stealing chocolate chips. Oh, gosh. Get your hand out of there. Step 5. Beat in the remaining 1½ cups of milk, then add the melted butter, salt, and cinnamon. Milk, butter, salt, cinnamon. Alright. That's a lot of milk. Kind of looking chocolatey, but it's not chocolate. Hey Kirsten, wanna try some? Kirsten, you did this last video! Don't run away. Stay here with me. You will love the Swedish pancakes I'm making. Step 6. Add the oil to the skillet. Ask an adult to heat up the skillet until it is very hot. Alright, we already added the oil in here. And we're going to let that heat up very hotly. Step 7. Drop about a tablespoon of the thin batter into the skillet of each pancake. Kirsten, you can't eat the batter. It has to cook on the pan. How are we going to get this off of here? We have to get it out. Sit right here. That's going much better than before. Alright, so that's it. Kirsten, it's looking yummy. If you see bubbles in the middle, you know it's almost time to flip. There is kind of bubbles in the middle, so it's almost time to flip. Oh, it looks like it actually is done. Let's flip. Ooh, look at that. It's nice and light brown. Onto the plate. And there you go. You have your Swedish pancake. Then you add chocolate. If you want to add jelly, you can add it if you want. Let's add lots of chocolate chips. Now roll it up and sprinkle it with powdered sugar. And the Swedish pancakes are done. Wait a minute, Lucy. Weren't you gonna help me bake them? You just want to eat them. You don't want to help me bake. Let's eat. Alright, here's Jackson. Jackson, come eat your pancakes. Nice. Enjoy.
Wait a second, is this gluten-free?
Yes, I made it just for you.
Oh, thank you.
Here's Kirsten. I'm gonna cut you a bite. There you go. I like it. Alright, I'll try a bite. That actually is good. Funny, it's not such a big yummy. And that's how you make Swedish pancakes.